A new lead is generated in your business and the record of the lead's details is automatically created in your Google Sheets. Yes, this is possible. That too without need of any coding and programming skills. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Over here today we are going to connect Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets in such a way that whenever a new lead is generated in our business using Facebook lead ads, automatically the record of the lead's details is going to be added in my Google Sheets. So if you want to learn the entire process of how you can build the connection between these two applications, for that I will be taking you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen over here. So we are going to learn how you can build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets in this video. For that, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After we browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we start to create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Now let's dive into creating this amazing automation. On the landing page, you will find two options in front of you. One is the sign in, other one is the sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you have a valid Pabbly account, sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all these applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. And then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear. Now to create a new automation, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button. There are two methods. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, you can select the new beta method, okay? But if you want your workflow to have more familiar and stable approach, you can select the classic one. I'm going to create this workflow using the new beta method. Firstly, we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Save Facebook Leads to Google Sheets Automatically, okay? So this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder. If you want to categorize the different workflows according to different categories, simply create multiple folders from this plus button, okay? Click on this create button, the workflow is then going to be created. Inside Pabbly Connect's automation, there are two major steps. One is trigger, other is action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. We are going to first set up our trigger. For the trigger application, I'm going to select over here as Facebook lead ads. Over here, what I want is that as soon as a new lead is generated, automatically this trigger should capture the response. That is why for the event, I'm going to select over here as new lead instant, okay? And then click on this connect button. Over here, this window is going to appear. If you want to select the existing connection from before, you can select it from the drop down. I'm going to add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Then it is asking for the permission for continuing with this account. For that, I'm going to click on this continue button right over here and on this button. And the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully created. Why the connection process was so easy? Because on a new tab, I've already logged into my Facebook account. That makes the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect very easy, okay? Next, it is asking for us to select a page using which we are running our Facebook lead ads. I'm running my ads using the page Natural Glow Skincare. So what I'm going to do is for the page over here, I'm going to search for this page and select it, okay? Then for the lead gen form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of Natural Glow Lead Ads form using which I'm collecting my leads data. So for this, I'm going to select this form from the drop down, okay? After selecting the page and the form, as I want the simple response, I'm going to toggle this button on and click on the Save and Send Test Request button. And it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead using Meta's lead ads testing tool. Using this tool, we can generate test lead for Facebook lead ads, okay? For the page, I will be selecting the page in the name of Natural Glow Skincare. Product is lead retrieval form. This is the form that I've created and click on this preview form button. Then it is asking for all these details. So now let us fill all the details. Please select your skin type, which is oily. So I'm going to select it. First name, let's suppose I'm going to write it as new. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as Lee. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as new@pabblytudes.com. Okay. And for the phone number, I'm going to add a dummy mobile number right here. Click on this continue button and on the submit button to generate a test lead. And the test lead has now been successfully generated. If I'm going to go back to my workflow over here and scroll down and wait over here for a few seconds for the response to be captured, as it takes few seconds for the response to come over here in Pabbly Connect. And you can see within few seconds the response has now been successfully captured. Skin type is oily, first name new, last name lead, email is new@pabblytudes.com with this dummy mobile number, date and time of the lead been created with all the other details. Okay. So as now this response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads has now been successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. So after connecting Facebook lead ads, now I want to send this lead towards my Google Sheets and add the data right over here. For that, I'm going to set up my action step, in which my action application I'm going to select over here as Google Sheets. So I'm going to select it, and for the event I'm going to select it as add new row and click on this connect button. This window is going to appear. You can select the existing connection from the drop down. I'm going to add a new one and then click on this sign in with Google button right over here. Then it is going to ask for us to select an account that you want to continue with. I want to continue with this account, so I'm going to select it. And then it is asking for the permission for this account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. The connection is successfully created. For the spreadsheet, I will select over here as leads details. So I'm going to select the spreadsheet as leads details. Okay. For the sheet, I will select over here the single sheet that I've created in the name of sheet 1. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for the name, email address, phone number and the skin type. Okay. So these are the headers that I've created in this spreadsheet. Now for the data of these fields, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from this previous step. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, the previous step is going to appear. As I'm going to click on it, this is the leads data and I'm going to create the record of this lead. So I'm going to select the data of the lead, like the first name space the last name from my previous response, as I'm on the name record right here. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, this data right over here has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. In a similar manner, I'm going to map the data of all the other fields as well, like the email, phone number and the skin type. Okay. After entering all the details, simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. If you will receive a response like this with the spreadsheet ID, this is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my Google Sheets from here, you can see right over here the record of the leads details is now been successfully created. Name is new lead, email is new@pabblytudes.com with this phone number and this skin type as oily. Okay. So as now this record is created, this is how you build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Now in your business, whenever a lead is going to be generated through your Facebook lead ads campaign, automatically this trigger Facebook lead ads new lead instant is going to capture the response of that. And now as you want to create the record of the lead using Google Sheets add new row, the details are automatically going to be transferred and created as a record in our Google Sheets. Okay. So this is how you build the connection between these two applications. If you find any of the questions or doubts while I was creating this video for you, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. If you have any ideas for us to create a video on, you can add all your ideas in the comment section below and we are going to create a video for you on the ideas that you provide. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.